Hello everyone, welcome to GATE Wallah. Friends, you all know that whenever there is a festival, GATE Wallah always celebrate that festival with you by launching new batches, giving maximum discounts on all our existing and new batches. So this 26th of January, which is Republic Day, is also a great festival for all of us Indians, and to celebrate this festival, we have yet another offer for you. And you can see in the background that on this occasion we are going to give you up to 70% off on all ESE and GATE batches as well as test series. Now one by one I will reveal that for which batch what discount you are getting, what are our new batches, what are our existing batches, and trust me, we have batches for each and every student. We have batches for GATE aspirants, we have batches for ESE aspirants, we have batches in English, we have batches in Hinglish, we have batches even for placement preparation. So let me tell you one by one what are our batches and what offers we have on those batches. So first of all, you all know that there is a very big exam coming up, which is UPPSC, and for that we have launched UPPSC AE prelims batch, and right now that batch you can purchase only for 2649 rupees. Moving on, we have Parakram batches for GATE 2026 for Parakram 2026 batches, and this batch is in English as well as Hinglish. So even if you are only comfortable in English, we have a dedicated batch for you guys, and let me tell you, these batches are completely in English, means all the lectures will be in English, all the notes will be in English, every possible content will be delivered to you in English. So we have Parakram 2026 GATE batch B for in English for mechanical students, computer science students, electrical students and electronic students, and this batch is only for 6,200 rupees right now. Okay, moving on, we also have Shreshth GATE 2026 batch for computer science and DA, which is only for 14,999 rupees, and we have Shreshth 2.0 GATE 2026 batches for instrumentation students, and this batch is only for 6,999 rupees right now. Moving on, we have Shreshth GATE 2027 batch, which is for our GATE 2027 aspirants, and this batch is our most premium batch. We also provide foundation courses for this batch, and this batch is for mechanical, XC, civil, electrical, electronics, computer science as well as chemical, and you can see the offers here right now. Moving on, for computer science students, if you want to prepare for placements along with your GATE preparation, along with your college, along with your semester exams, then we have Parakram GATE 2026 PSU plus placement preparation batch for you, and this batch is for 2026 as well as 2027 students, and completely for computer science and IT students. And if you are preparing for GATE 2026, you can enroll in this batch for 14,999, and if you are preparing for GATE 2027, then you can purchase this batch for only 15,499 rupees. So it's your choice, whichever is suitable batch for you, you can enroll in that. Moving on, if you are someone who is preparing for ESE as well as GATE, then we have Parakram 2025 ESE plus GATE plus PSU batch, as well as 2026 ESE plus GATE plus PSU batch, as well as 2027 ESE plus GATE plus PSU batch. So if you are from civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, and you are preparing for ESE as well as for GATE, then these are the batches for you, and you can see that for 2025 batch you can enroll in this batch for 8,999. For 2026 you can enroll for 14,999, and for 2027 you can enroll for 15,499 rupees. Now we also have offers for our ESE prelims online test series, where you will get ample number of tests and ample number of questions to practice, and right now it is available only for 99 rupees. And we also have ESE non-tech batch. If you have already covered your technical portion and you are looking for a non-technical batch, then you can enroll in this batch, where you will get all the subjects of general studies as well as engineering aptitude. Okay, and right now you can enroll in this batch for 3899 rupees. So these are the offers that we are giving on the occasion of 26 January Republic Day. So don't wait for this offer to end and enroll in your batch right now. Thank you so much. I will see you in some other session. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind.